Scientists have made an incredible and groundbreaking find at the very center of these mysterious cosmic creatures known as black holes. They have unearthed something truly amazing and terrifying inside a black hole, challenging everything we thought we knew about these wonders of the cosmos. As we delve into this fascinating discovery, get ready for a journey through the intricate details of black holes and the secrets they hold within their enigmatic cores. If you are interested in keeping up to date with the latest news from the universe and its surroundings, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video, share it with others so it reaches a wider audience, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. Black holes are an extraordinary phenomenon in the universe, and their existence was first postulated by the brilliant scientist Albert Einstein in his groundbreaking theory of general relativity. According to this theory, the gravity exerted on the surface of a black hole is so intense that even light cannot escape its grasp. This idea is not just a theoretical abstraction. It represents a fundamental aspect of how gravity works in our universe. Unlike conventional forces such as magnetism, gravity does not simply pull or push objects. Instead, it is the result of the curvature of space and time. This means that gravity arises from the way objects with mass and energy warp or bend the very fabric of space-time itself. The concept of curved space and time refers to the gravitational field created by massive objects. The more energetic an object is, the stronger its gravitational field becomes, leading to more pronounced deformations in space-time. Following this theory, we must discuss black holes, which are among the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe. These celestial phenomena possess unimaginable amounts of mass and energy concentrated in an incredibly tiny space. Because of their immense mass, the gravitational field surrounding a black hole becomes extraordinarily intense, creating a deep, profound warping in the fabric of space and time that influences everything around it. This is where things take an even more extraordinary turn. The gravitational pull in the vicinity of a black hole is so incredibly strong that it creates what is known as an event horizon. The event horizon is not a physical barrier in the traditional sense, but rather a region where space gradually bends and warps. It represents an invisible boundary or point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, whether it is an unfortunate spacecraft, a stray asteroid, or even light itself, it can never escape the clutches of the black hole. The event horizon forms an invisible force field that holds everything within its grasp, including light, which is typically considered the fastest entity in the universe. To highlight the extraordinary nature of this phenomenon, imagine that you are turning on a flashlight. The light rays that emit from the flashlight travel at an astonishing speed of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. However, if you were to somehow find yourself inside a black hole, the speed required to escape its gravitational pull would have to exceed even the speed of light. This concept is not just mind-boggling. It defies our current understanding of physics. At the very core of a black hole lies what is known as a singularity. This singularity is the place where all the mass and energy of the black hole, regardless of how intensely large it may be, becomes crushed and compressed into an infinitesimally small point at the center. The singularity can be thought of as a gigantic cosmic entity with extraordinary gravitational force and curvature. In fact, the singularity possesses infinite curvature and gravity, leading to fascinating implications for our understanding of the laws of physics. When we attempt to make sense of what is happening within the singularity, our understanding of physics begins to break down. It is as if the laws that govern our universe take a break or become absent altogether, leaving us perplexed and bewildered by the enigma of black holes. Scientists are exploring this mysterious territory in the hope of uncovering the secrets hidden in the heart of black holes. To understand how black holes are formed and what happens inside them, it is essential to go back to the life cycle of a massive star. These massive stars are true cosmic powerhouses, fueled by the incredible nuclear fusion reactions that take place in their cores. The energy source that sustains these stars comes from the fusion of hydrogen and helium. During this fascinating process, two hydrogen atoms collide and combine to form a helium atom. As long as the star has an adequate supply of hydrogen to sustain the fusion process, it can maintain its brightness and luminosity. However, Stars have a voracious appetite for fuel and are constantly seeking to keep the fusion party going. When the hydrogen in the core of a star is depleted, the star gets creative and begins to fuse heavier elements such as helium, carbon, and oxygen. Each fusion reaction involving these heavier elements produces less energy than the previous one, creating a delicate balance that the star must maintain. To compensate for this decrease in energy output, the star has to work harder, burning faster and generating increased heat to sustain its luminous exterior. Eventually, however, there comes a critical point at which the star can no longer fuse any more elements. At that extraordinary moment, the star collapses under its own weight, resulting in a magnificent implosion. It is at this instant that a black hole is born, and the collapsed core forms the heart of the black hole, which is known as a singularity. For the first time in history, scientists have directed their state-of-the-art telescopes into the interior of a supermassive black hole located in the core of a galaxy situated an astounding 800 million light-years away. Black holes are notorious for their insatiable appetite, devouring anything that comes too close to them. In this case, the black hole's voracious cosmic feast was truly extraordinary. When matter fell into the black hole, it was heated to extreme temperatures, reaching millions of degrees. The scorching gas generated a glowing corona around the black hole, creating an intense cosmic halo that is visible to astronomers. The resulting X-ray flares, which resemble cosmic fireworks generated by the superheated gas, did not simply disappear into the abyss of the black hole. In fact, these flares experienced a peculiar cosmic bounce, reflecting off the gas located behind the black hole. This phenomenon defied the traditional laws of physics as the flares confronted the magnetic and gravitational fields of the black hole. And astonishingly, they survived the immense gravitational forces and magnetic fields. The black hole bent the X-ray flares, giving them a curving path that eventually reached our telescopes here on Earth. This amazing discovery represents the first direct observation of light coming from inside a black hole, providing us with valuable insights into the nature of these cosmic giants. Furthermore, this observation serves as yet another confirmation of the theories put forth by Albert Einstein and his revolutionary theory of general relativity. Einstein had predicted that light could be bent by gravity, and this groundbreaking observation fulfills his prophecy, reaffirming the brilliance of his ideas and their relevance even today. But how did this revolutionary discovery come about? The story centers on two impressive space telescopes, the XMM Newton, operated by the European Space Agency, and the James Webb Telescope, operated by NASA. These advanced telescopes were focused on a supermassive black hole and witnessed quite a show over the course of several days. They observed fascinating X-ray flares emitted by the scorching hot corona surrounding the black hole. However, things took an intriguing turn when the researchers delved deeper into the data and noticed something peculiar. Some of the flares exhibited different colors and arrived later than others, raising important questions about the nature of these phenomena. Why did some of the flares arrive later than others, and why did they exhibit different colors? After extensive analysis, it was discovered that these X-ray codes originated from inside the black hole itself, leading to a surprising observation. The researchers immersed themselves in an exhaustive analysis, employing cosmic numbers in their calculations. Slowly but surely, the pieces of the cosmic puzzle began to fit together perfectly, revealing something truly extraordinary. They were witnessing a phenomenon known as a light echo. As we well know, black holes possess an extremely powerful gravitational force, one so strong that even light cannot escape its grasp. However, in the vicinity of a black hole, one often finds a spinning disk of material, such as gas or dust, that is concentrated by the black hole's immense gravity. This material heats up as it spirals toward the black hole, emitting X-rays and other types of radiation. This process creates a luminous ring surrounding the black hole, known as a corona. What do you think of these incredible findings? We would love to hear your thoughts, so please let us know in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more engaging content like this. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we hope to see you in the next one.